Now let us understand the screen flow with a simple example. Okay, now so let us build an event registration flow by using Salesforce screen flow. Okay, so this flow will allow attendees to register for an event, and Salesforce will automatically create a contact record for the attendee, an event registration record, and also a ticket record linked to both the contact and the event. So all of this will happen in one single flow. So users only need to fill out one form and the flow does the rest automatically. Okay, so for that, first we before we create the flow, we need to make sure that we have certain objects. So that objects are contact object, event object, and ticket object. Okay, is this contact object is a standard object, so no need to create it. Now we need to create two more objects, that is event object and the ticket object. In the event object also we need some fields, that is event name field and event date field, and the ticket also we need a field like ticket type. Okay, let's just create now. Let's create that now. Go to setup. In the setup, go to object manager. Here we have create custom object. So I'm creating a custom object called as event. Okay, event, and then we need to also launch the tab, save it. Oh sorry, we didn't give plural form, and then save it. Now choose what you want, your wish. Click on next, and then save it. Now we need to create fields in this. So let me create a field. So the field will be a name field, so it's like a text field, right? So I'm just taking text field. Click on next. So let's give it as event name. Length will be something around 20, and let me just click on next. And then save it. Now we need to create another one, that is event date. So this is date type. Let me just see this date type. Click on next. So let's give something called as event date. Okay, event date, and then click on next, and then save it.